Hey everyone. So I'm shut down for the wind right now. It's looking to be about 20 mile an hour constant with more than 20, 25 mile an hour gusts. So I figured I'd make a vlog. Um, so I know it's been a while on this channel since I last made a vlog, and I decided to get back into it. Um, I know that I haven't really been posting at all. I think it's been a couple years now, and I a lot's changed in my life. Well, obviously I'm trucking by myself now, uh, and it's been a long journey so far. I'm definitely how should I put this? I guess I'm getting a bit lonely on the truck. I mean, nothing's wrong with trucking. Love it. But I guess I'm getting kind of stir crazy, but not. Um, I want to socialize and talk to people, but at the same time, I kind of don't. Um, Not really sure exactly what that's all about. Um, Not sure if it's that road depression that's known to hit truckers or not, but um, as far as I know, I'm feeling okay. Uh, Feeling a bit frustrated that I can't be driving because I drove for about maybe a half hour before the gust started hitting me pretty bad. So, yeah, that was great because right now I'm just sitting in a little parking area. Not There's no restrooms or anything like that. So, yeah, great. And I left the truck stop where I had bathrooms. Uh, I know this is kind of like a really dry, very kind of boring video, I guess, but I guess this is just more of a rant, maybe. Um, I I'm gonna definitely be doing a lot more videos from now on. Um, I decided maybe vlogging might be a way to keep my mind occupied, keep me going. Still got the coffee. Still got the coffee, home brewed on the truck. I think maybe once I get the truck a little bit more organized, I might do like a truck tour or something. Um, Looking to get a new phone mount for my windshield, so that way then I can go and put my phone mounted up there and let you guys see the sights as I'm driving by. But yeah, a lot of things have changed. I know I keep saying that, and I haven't really mentioned much. So I went home for about 4 months, and that didn't really work out. Uh, Roommates weren't the best, so I fought a lot with them. Uh, I don't do with disrespect and all that, and I went to a local trucking company. I'm not going to name them all that much, but yeah, they would much rather get the load there on time than deal with brake failures or dealing with power steering pumps that didn't want to work. So they didn't care about the legality of their vehicles or the driver safety, because I found out about the brake failure about halfway through a turn when they decided they wanted to go out of me, and I almost rode a truck onto a family of four. But yeah, they didn't care. They just wanted me to grab the next trailer and head on out. So I left them. Uh, Went to work at a distribution center. A great place to work. I loved it. Well, it's not that I loved it or hated it. It was a job. It was decent pay, and I didn't mind the work there. It was nothing was wrong with the job. It just wasn't the job for me. And I had to use a forklift there, and it was one of those stand up and look to the side forklifts, and because I've had a history of bad posture, I've actually been slouching this whole video. Because of my posture and all that, it's been killing my back with the way the back rests, where they went about 3/4 of the way up your back, which caused like a pinched nerve or some kind of severe tightening in my back by my shoulder blade. So it just really, really sucked. But my managers were willing to work with me. Unfortunately, though, my body just wasn't able to take the abuse that the forklift was given. So I ended up leaving there, and I know I definitely did become depressed because of all the home life BS and the work life issues, and then because of the work life issues, I had financial struggles, so it just wasn't good. So I'm back out here on the road, back at Prime, and I like them. The only reason why I left was just because there was some issues I had to take care of. Otherwise I wouldn't have really left them. They treat me well. I did company for my first year at Prime. Went over to the leasing side. I had my own business for the last year. Actually, about a year and a half. And now I'm back with them on the company side. Got my old dispatcher. He is awesome. He runs you good. He gives you the miles. He gives you the you get your earning the paycheck. Yeah, I'm fairly tired right now. Ugh, pardon. Fairly tired right now. I'm literally on my first cup of coffee for the day. So, that might be why it's kind of a bland video at the start. I just guess this is more of a welcome back to the channel, and let's do things different right this time. I think things are going to be better now. Better now with the fact that I have a game plan. I have a battle plan going, and it should work. Hopefully, it should work. Well, we'll see over the next month or two. As I start vlogging more and more, we'll see what happens. All right, catch you guys in the next video. Later.